Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will talk about lead files. You will see how to upload a lead file to the dialer, assign it to a campaign, check your uploaded leads, and view related statistics. All the information about your lead files is stored under Leads and Campaigns in the Lead Files section. Let's start with uploading a lead file. Switch to the Upload New Lead File tab. Here, enter the file name, and select the needed checkboxes below. Mark duplicate leads as error leads means that the dialer will recognize your duplicates and mark them as an error. Select Extended Address Parsing to verify and correct lead phone numbers using Google's algorithms. Uploading will take longer. Enable HLR Lookup to check mobile phones using the home location register, and set non-valid ones as error. Ignore first line lets you correctly match data if the first line in your file contains column names. Now, to add your file, click Choose File, and then Upload. Please mind that the system only accepts CSV files. On the next page, you will need to match the data from CSV fields to the corresponding dialer fields. Using the drop-downs lists for each column, select the respective dialer field. Make sure you map basic details like the phone number for the system to function. We also recommend mapping the country field. This allows the dialer to automatically fix and format numbers if they are missing a country prefix. Then, click Import. Once your file is uploaded, the lead files page is displayed. Make sure it is fully parsed, the green checkmark indicates it is ready. At this point, we recommend checking the data to make sure leads were uploaded correctly. You can go to Actions, and click View Leads. There, you will see if your leads have any errors. Now you can assign your new file to a campaign. Click Select Option, and Assign to Campaign. In the pop-up window, select a campaign, and place a checkmark if you have more than one campaign and want to remove leads with the same phone numbers, as in this file, from other campaigns. However, we recommend consulting your manager before you delete any leads. Finally, click Assign. You have now uploaded your first lead file, but how can you know the upload was successful? In the next part of the video, we will show you how to check your uploaded leads and view related statistics. These options are accessible from the Lead Files page under the Actions column. Go to Stats to view general statistics for your file. You will see the total number of leads processed, number of duplicates, error leads, duplicates with errors, and more. Besides, here you will also find the top countries by the number of leads in your file. To get more details about your file, use the View Leads action. This will take you to the Lead Search page. From here, you can access a number of other actions, such as viewing individual lead profiles, deleting leads or adding them to a blacklist, and much more. If you still need our help, don't hesitate to click the chat icon and let us know. Thanks for watching, and good luck!